welcome back to Bria's Kitchen. Let's go ahead and get started. Today we are making some deviled eggs topped with some sauteed shrimp. So over here we have some mustard, we have some relish here, onion powder, garlic salt, Duke's mayonnaise, baby, some Duke's mayonnaise. We have some cayenne pepper over here. We have some Old Bay. Also, we're going to include some butter. And of course, our egg. First, we're going to boil our eggs for about 15 to 20 minutes. We're going to start off with our shrimp. We're going to melt some butter. Then we're going to go ahead and toss our shrimp in our Old Bay and any additional seasonings that you may like. And then go ahead and start sauteing. First, I'm going to put my garlic in there. Shrimp with Old Bay. Shrimp do not take long to cook at all, so we're just going to toss them around, make sure that it get nice and brown. I like to have a little bit of color on mine because it looks great for the presentation. All right, boom, and now our shrimp is done. So we're going to slice these. Trust these eggs. Let me tell you something. Anyways, here we go. Yeah, it was a knife, not me. Now, this is all of our egg yolk, and these are all of our eggs. We are done with our eggs right now, so we're just gonna move them out the way. So usually it's always one egg that never wants to act right, and so we just take that and throw that in the mix, and that'll be a part of our filling. So we're just gonna start to mash. We're just gonna mash all of this up. A scoop of this and put it in there. That looks pretty decent to me. Look at it. I'm gonna add a little bit of mustard, just a dollop. You don't really want that much mustard, just a dollop. Go ahead and mix that in. Now I'm gonna go in with my relish. I'm just gonna get a small scoop of that. Y'all know I like my little cayenne pepper. That's up to you if you want to use it or not. Let's go ahead and drop some of that in there. Onion powder. And we have some garlic salt. And I'm going to put a little bit of Old Bay just to add a little extra element. Alright, and now we're just going to mix all of that together. Let's it's still, no, it's movable. You want it to be movable. Okay? Take a regular plastic bag, boom, boom, boom. now we have our fake piping bag. We're just gonna cut, just gonna cut small. And now we're gonna act really professional and start adding our filling into our egg. So now it's nice and pretty and neat, so you don't have to try to scoop it out the bowl. Now we're going to take some paprika and sprinkle it all over just for a little bit of color. So now we're going to take our shrimp that we made and we're just going to sit it right on top. And it's going to like stand up because your filling's a little thick, and boom. And that's why I like them a little burnt. It just looks better. Just looks better to me. And now our finishing touch is just a little bit of cut up green onion, once again just to add some color. Thank you for stepping into Bria's kitchen. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time.